Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Ripple with Binance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start investing in Ripple using Binance, first, you'll need to create a Binance account. Visit the Binance website and click on the register button. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Check your email for a verification message from Binance. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Binance account. To enhance your security, enable two-factor authentication. On the home page, locate the Buy Crypto option at the top. Select credit/debit card or bank transfer to add funds. If using a card, enter your information and the amount you wish to deposit. For bank transfer, follow the instructions provided to complete the transaction. After your funds are added, navigate to the Markets section. Search for XRP, the ticker symbol for Ripple. Choose the appropriate trading pair, such as XRP/BTC or XRP/USDT. Click on the pair to open the trading interface. You will see the current price and options to place your order. Decide if you want to place a market order or a limit order. For a market order, enter the amount of XRP you wish to buy. For a limit order, set your desired price and amount. Review your order details before finalizing. Click the Buy button to execute your trade. Once your order is fulfilled, you'll find your XRP in the Wallet section. From your wallet, you can manage your Ripple holdings. Consider setting up alerts for price movements to monitor your investment. Stay informed about Ripple's market trends to make informed decisions. Now you're ready to start your investment journey with Ripple on Binance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.